Hey Annette, fractions. I do apologize because I thought these weren't going to be popping up till Unit 2. I did try to make that change, but apparently it didn't take, so here we are. Whenever we add two fractions with uncommon denominators, which are the bottom numbers of course, we have to first make sure they're the same. So 4 and 7, quite rightly you said the lowest common denominator here is 28. So I'm going to build two equivalent fractions with a denominator of 28. Now how I do that, I think to myself, I say, okay, 4 times 7 is 28, so 1 times 7 would be 7. So I just multiply both the top and bottom numbers by that same kind of conversion factor. 7 times 4 is 28, so 4 times 4 is 16. And now I have two fractions with a common denominator. Whenever we add or subtract fractions, we never mess with the denominator once it's the same. So our denominator is just going to be 28, and then we add or subtract the numerators as per the question. So here, 7 and 16, that's going to be 23 out of 28. That's going to be our answer there. Next one down here, kind of the same play. 5 and 7 is going to be 35, and again, quite rightly, you got that far. So I would say 5 times 7 is 35, so 2 times 7 gives me 14. 7 times 5 is 35, so 3 times 5 is 15. And again, this is the equivalent fraction to this, right? Like this fraction and this fraction are equivalent. If I were to reduce this fraction in lowest terms, I would get 3 over 7. Again, don't mess with the denominators, and then we just add the numerators, so that's going to be 29 out of 35. All right, buddy, hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't.